wonderful people. Good day and welcome to Mr. B's channel where math is always fun. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to add up algebraic terms, also how to subtract them. If you are given any expressions in maths or in algebra, you should be able to add up the like terms in that expression. If today is the first time you've been on my channel, please hit on the subscribe icon and the notification bell to receive all the subsequent videos I'll be sharing with you guys. Relax and enjoy. Now, to be able to add up or subtract any algebraic expressions given to us, we must be able to tell or to identify our like terms and unlike terms. If you do not know how to find your like terms and unlike terms, kindly pause this video and go watch that video among the list I have here. Now, if you have 2x plus 3x, we see that these two terms have the same letters. The variables or the letters are the same. They are like terms. So it is possible to add them. Now to do so is very simple. We are only going to choose one of the variables we've got here, which is our x. It will be in our final answer. Then what you do is you add up your coefficients, the numbers. So our answer is going to be 2 plus 3, we know it's a 5. Then the variable x. So our answer is 5x we have here. Simple, right? Great. Let's try another example. If we write 6p plus 13p, we see that all the variables are again the same. We have p and a p. So our final answer is definitely going to be in a p. But let's look at our coefficients, 6 and 13. What is happening to the two coefficients or the two numbers? They are being added up. Therefore, our answer is going to be 6 plus 13, which is 19. And our variable p. So our answer is 19p. Get it? Got it? Great. Another example, 20y squared minus 14y squared. The first thing you must check and ask yourself is the variables. Are they the same? Are the exponents equal? Yes, the variables are the same. We have y squared, y squared. Therefore, our answer is going to be in a y squared. But now let us look at our coefficients. We have 20 and we have 14. 20, what is happening to them? It's minus. 20 minus 14 will give you a 6. So your answer is 6y squared. Get it? Got it? Great. What if we have two different letters or two different variables? 3t plus 4r. In this case, our variables are not the same. T and R are not the same. Therefore, we cannot add the two. Our answer, therefore, remains the same thing like our question, which is 3t plus 4r. That is our answer in this expression because the variables are not equal. So we cannot add unlike terms. We can only add like terms. Get it? Got it? Great. Finally, if we have 8a plus 2b, I'm increasing the number of terms here, minus 6a plus 3b. Now, how many terms are there? We have 4 terms. Are there any like terms? Yes, we can agree there are like terms. So let us group the like terms. 6a, the partner or its like term is negative 6a. Sorry, it's 8a. So 8a and 6a are equal. We put them together as 8a. What is the sign in front of the 6a we are going to bring? The sign is a minus, so we must bring the minus here. 6a. Mind you, do not write this plus here because you are going to get it wrong. The plus is just for 2b. It is not for 6a. Therefore, do not include that plus sign. All right. What is the next like term? We now have what? 2b. We now have 2b and 3b. So what do? We put them together. We say plus 2b plus 3b. Now, what answer are we going to get here? We are going to get 8 minus 6 is a 2. Then the letters are the same, A. We choose one of them, one of the variables to be our A. We continue, plus, what is 2 plus 3? That is a 5. And we have B as our variable, which is our answer. Can we still simplify this? 2A and 5b. The variables are not equal. Therefore, they are unlike terms. And we know we cannot add up unlike terms. Therefore, our answer remains 5a plus 2b. Get it? Got it? Great. Now, I want you to try this out. Number 1, 4m plus 6m. Number 2, 12t minus 5t. Number 3, 17p plus 6q minus 12p plus 2q. Number 4, 21x cubed minus 16x squared plus 7x cubed. Number 5, 12y plus 6z. Now, when you're done with this, please come back and revise with me. For now, I want you to pause the video and try to work them out. If you have any challenge, please put in the comment section and I will be glad to assist you there. All right.